Welcome back to our channel. Today we have some exciting news from VinFast, the Vietnamese automaker making waves in the world of electric vehicles. This time we will discuss the 2025 VinFast VF3 Mini EV. Let's start. VinFast, a Vietnamese automaker, has joined the trend of compact electric vehicles that are currently popular in China. Similar to the GM-backed Baojun Yep mini electric SUV that made waves in China, VinFast has unveiled its own version in Vietnam called the VF3. The VF3 is specifically designed for the Vietnamese market and is smaller than the Baojun Yep, measuring just 122.6 inches, 3,114 millimeters, in length. Despite its compact size, VinFast claims that the VF3 can comfortably accommodate up to 5 people and some luggage in the rear trunk, although this may be an exaggeration. Like the Baojun Yep, the VF3 features a 2-door boxy SUV design with a tall body for decent ground clearance. The VF3 stands out with its square headlights, side mirrors, bulged hood, stylized V-shaped bird logo on the front and rear bumpers, chunky plastic wheel arches, and floating roof treatment. It rides on 16-inch wheels and comes in a variety of body colors. Inside the VF3, VinFast has taken a minimalist approach to maximize passenger space. The shallow dashboard features a single information display behind the steering wheel, devoid of visible physical buttons or a center console. VinFast ensures a comfortable and convenient user experience by integrating basic smart features. Underneath, the VF3 is equipped with an electric motor and battery that promise an impressive travel range tailored to the needs of Vietnamese drivers. Unfortunately, specific specifications have not been disclosed, but it appears that the VF3 has a single-motor 2WD powertrain. The VF3 will be available in 2 trims, Eco and Plus, and will be affordably priced to appeal to a wide audience. VinFast envisions the VF3 becoming the new national vehicle for the Vietnamese people, fulfilling the car dreams of many families and driving the adoption of electric cars throughout the country. However, Vietnamese buyers will have to wait over a year for the VF3 to launch. VinFast plans to start accepting orders for the Mini EV in September 2023 and commence deliveries in the third quarter of 2024. The VF3 will expand VinFast's electric vehicle lineup, joining the ranks of the VF5 Plus, VF-E34, VF6, VF7, VF8, and VF9. That's all for today's update on VinFast's VF3 mini electric vehicle. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest automotive news. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.